Today on Hobby Wild, we'll be making a face mask. You'll need one pair of scissors and a long sleeve t-shirt, because this is a 2-minute no-sew face mask. So I'm just using a brand new shirt here. This one's made of 100% cotton, so just consider what yours is made of. So to start off, we're going to hack off one of the long sleeves, just cutting in a straight line. Nothing special with this step. Let's move the rest of the shirt out of the way. Next, hem at the bottom. We want to remove this as well because it might cause a bit of irritation if you have it in your mask, but this isn't necessary. So once again, cutting just in a straight line. All up, this shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes in total. So we can discard that piece as well now. And time for a bit more cutting. We're just going to create a narrow strip down the bottom, probably about 1 inch or 2 centimeters in width. And this is going to form the straps that are going to attach the face mask to your head. This will then leave you with one big loop. It's nice and stretchy as well. So you're still left with an arm, a lot of other material on the shirt as well that you can use to make another mask. So you'll see the seams on either end here. These may break apart. If they do, just tie them back together. No big issue at all. So we're just going to stretch this out a bit. So once you stretch this out, it helps to ball up or roll up the sides. It will just be a bit softer on the back of your head. Once again, this step isn't necessary, but it's easy to do, so you may as well get it over and done with. So if we have a close-up look there, you can see they're all sort of rounded off now. So we'll keep the seams on either side, and with one of the big parts, the big flat sections, we'll just loop it over the top of the sleeve, and we'll just make one cut at the bottom. So we want to have about 4 or 5 inches space here, so 12 centimeters. That's the width of your mask. The loop at the top will go over our head, so we're just going to fold one side over, open up that sleeve, and then tuck the other side into that pocket. So it's nice and neat, and this is a really comfy mask. So just cinch up those sides a little bit there. It's got those little ties down the bottom, which will tie behind your neck. So a couple of optional extras. If you do really want to sew, you can sew down either side to help hold it together a bit more, but it's really not necessary. Other option, you've got the pocket here, which you can get a piece of paper towel or a filter, whatever you want to use, a different type of material. Just cut it down to size, or fold it in this case. Open up the pocket of that sleeve, slip it in, and then suddenly you've got an extra layer in your mask. It's already at least 3 layers, but you can always add more if you want. Nice soft material, makes it an extremely comfy mask. So let's just have a look at fitment. So here's our test dummy. Good looking one. We'll get the loop. We're going to put it around the back of the head. Normally the ears would stop it from slipping down, so there's a bit of a challenge with this particular dummy. That goes round the back of the head. Place the mask over your face, including your nose. and then get the two straps at the bottom, and then just going right round the back, and then being tied up. Pull them nice and tight. That will help cinch the sides into place. Make sure that mask is covering your nose. If you have a proper sized nose and not like the dummy, it will stay up a bit better as well. When you pull it tight, you can see how those sides really pull together. It gives you really good fitment of this mask. So overall, really easy, really fast. It's the 2-minute nose sew mask. Stay safe out there. Hope you enjoy.